Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Peeps cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place in your room temperature butter, followed by your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar, then beat together until they are lighter and fluffier in consistency. You're not looking for it to be like a cake, but more that of, just very well combined. Once it is, you can then go ahead and add in your egg and just mix it in until it's fully incorporated, not forgetting to add in the vanilla extract as well. Once they've been incorporated, you can then go ahead and add in the plain flour, the baking powder and the white chocolate chips, and just mix these in on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high speed, and just mix until a dough has formed. Once the dough has formed, it should pull away from the bowl looking something like this. Just give it a quick scraping down, and this may be just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully incorporated from earlier on. So when it comes to processing the dough, you'll simply want to take your scoop and scoop up the right amount, which is just filling the scoop. Then take it between your two hands and flatten it out, creating a little dent in the centre. Once you've done that, you can fill it with the marshmallow spread that you're in a piping bag. Round it off, put it into a ball shape, and then place onto your baking tray. Repeat the process until you have 5 cookies. That's how many I get from my scoop. But then, you can go ahead and then bake these up in your preheated oven. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So then, once they're baked and fresh from the oven, you'll want to just place on top the Peeps. I'm using a pink and a yellow one on each cookie, but feel free to use whichever Peeps you can get your hands on, or whatever you want to use. I also then just use some white chocolate chips just as a bit of an extra finish, because why not? And I also had some to use up that needs to be used. So yeah, you can decorate these however you'd like, but I went with something quite simple like this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.